Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you the example one that comes inside DoozyUI package. Let's get started. So, in order to open the example one, you go to Doozy, Examples, Scenes, and you select E1. Double click. And you'll notice here that it says Portrait 2D. We recommend viewing this scene in portrait mode in 2D because that is how it's meant to be seen, so that you have the best experience when looking through it. Right now, my build settings are set to Android as the target platform, so I'm able to switch between portrait and landscape mode. It will work in landscape, but we recommend viewing it in portrait mode. So I've just opened it. I'm gonna press play and you're gonna see it in action. Let's press play. And now we have a background, a timer that will change the view automatically. And here I have some text, a thank you note, and an icon. I'm gonna click next. This changes and also change the background and the text. And these are views. Here you also learn that you can swipe left and right, so I'm gonna swipe in order to navigate. That's also feasible. There you go. And again, we are at the start. All right. So this scene has several views. It has some gradients. Let's see them here. So we have this gradient, come on, the blue one, the gray one. We also have the content and you can see it here. This is the background. It is made like this because we want to be able to adjust. So even if I'm in landscape mode, the background will look nice. And check it out. Yeah, there you go. So this also works in landscape, but we recommend viewing it in portrait. Yeah. All right. So how does this scene work? Well, you should look at the graph controller, first of all, and see the navigation flow. So let's open the graph. I'm gonna maximize this for now and see how this works. So when we start the scene, you have a sound node that plays this music, and let's also see the inspector actually. So, okay. Then we have the bottom bar that is shown, and here we show a view, we show on bottom bar. Then after 5 seconds delay, we show this hello, and this is the one with the text on the background, bonjour, hello, salut, and so on. And here you have a next button, and you also have a game event, go next. This is for the swipes, and this listens for a game event, go next, that is sent by probably by a gesture listener, yeah, when a swipe happens. And it flows from 1 to 2, from 2 to 3, and so on. These are the connections. You can also use the back button. And yeah, let's see it a bit. I'm gonna stop the music, so yeah, let's bypass it. So you do not scream at me. Come on, from here. So I just bypass the music, so it doesn't start again. And yeah, now that we bypass the sound, we can see it in action. Let's zoom out a bit. Let's press play and check it out. So no more music. And here we have our 5 seconds delay and a progressor. And we're here now, number 2. And if I press escape or the back key, you will see that this connection will light up and come back to hello. So I'm gonna click here and press escape. Notice this connection. There you go. That was the back key. Again, if I wanna go back, I can also click this button. And this is again, the back button. So back, again, it works. And if I want to swipe, well, then we will use this connection because the gesture listener sends this event go back. So you will see this connection light up. So I'm gonna swipe. There you go. This lit up. Yeah. I'm gonna swipe again in case you missed it. So there you go. Let's swipe up. Let's swipe in the other direction. And let's go through the go next, then go next. Check it out. I'm gonna use this one with a swipe. So, oh, the other way around. There you go. I use that one. Then I'm gonna use this one. And now this one. It's that easy. If I press escape, yeah, so let's press escape. I go back. Again, I can swipe. Let's press the back button. There you go. Again, the back button. And yeah, it's quite a simple navigation. And let's also see the inspector for these views because they're pretty basic. So now for number 2, the one with the thank you note, you can see we are showing a background and number 2. And that's it. This is all the logic for this particular example. Again, also note that because I changed this, it got saved. So let's set it back here and let's press play and let's hear the music. Yeah, works. All right, so you can see how, let's say, the backgrounds are set to fade in and fade out. So this is how you achieve that seamless background fade animation. And also the content has some presets, a fade pop. Let's see it. So we have a scale and a fade for these particular examples. And we also have the bottom bar and the circle, and you can see how it's done because we have some views hidden here. And these are the animations that you see here in this place. So here we have some UI views actually, and you do not see them because we use a a rect mask to hide them. So let me show you again and look at this part of the UI. So you see next, and yeah, it appears that it comes from nowhere. Yeah, that's how it's done. A rect mask and some views hidden here. And they're all connected because they have the same name. So this one has view name 1, and we also have view name 1. What are these? Well, this is the background, and this is the hello world text. Let me show you, it's here. For view 2, let's see, this is the Doozy part, this is the thank you note, and this is the DoozyUI logo. So you see, that's how they use the same view name, and that's how they appear at the same time with different animations and in different parts. And of course, lastly, we have the gesture listeners that can be anywhere because they're set to global listener. And when you swipe right, you send the go back event. And when you swipe left, you send the go next event. And these are used in the graph controller. Everywhere you see them here, go next, go back, go next. And that's it. So you can play with this example and learn how we created it. Okay, thank you.